So welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you a couple more formulas. The first one is the alien formula. Basically what it does is tell you how many characters are in this particular cell. As you can see, this one is 10 and this one is 9. So it does do special characters, numbers, and numerical values. The second formula I'm going to tell you about is replace. Now, replace basically says, hey, I want to replace. This is more or less taken over now by copy and paste. But for example, if you do have just one long code that you can't remember, but you use lens to get the number of characters, and you know how many characters you want to replace. In this case, just one character, and you're gonna start in the front with JK. You do JG20, which is the cell one for the number of characters you want to replace, and one to start on one. To further explain an example, would be this one. This is ASHA. I want it to start on the third letter, and I wanted to replace two letters GF instead of HA. So don't forget your commas, guys, and also quotation marks for numerical values. Now the substitute function. In the first one, on to the left, you can say "Me gusta pescado," but on the one to the right, I want "Le gusta pescado," which is the formal tense of like. Now, if you're using alphabetical value, you want to make sure to put quotation marks. As you can see in the second one here, I didn't use quotation marks because I'm using numerical values. Now, this, again, left, right, middle is being taken over basically by copy and paste. But for the last one, you'd use the cell number and the number of characters you wanted to go. So Google is 6 characters. Now, for the right, this will be the cell and starting for the right, and basically 4 characters, which is over. And the mid is basically 7 characters is where that spaces. So the space, even though it's empty, is counted as a character. And you want to go 15 characters where it says docs is taking. So those are the 4 functions of today. They are basically some of them being taken, most of them being taken over and copy and paste, but they're still used today.